Picture a creature so small, yet so deadly. Yes, we're talking about the blue-ringed octopus. This tiny titan is a marine marvel, dwelling in the sandy shores and coral reefs of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. But don't let its size fool you. This eight-legged wonder packs a punch with venom potent enough to paralyze or even kill. But it's not all doom and gloom. Their vibrant blue rings aren't just for show, they're a warning. The octopus only displays them when it feels threatened, and while they're dangerous, they're also fascinating. It carries enough venom to harm 26 humans, and yet there's no known antidote. The blue-ringed octopus, a testament to nature's paradoxical beauty, deadly yet undeniably captivating. Remember, respect the blue, and it'll respect you.